Hey guys, what's up? It's Afreen and this is my friend Liam.
Hi.
Who's gonna cut my hair really short. So it's really expensive in Australia, so I have a hairdresser to myself. I'm so rich. And this is Cassie. Say hi.
Hey, I'm Cassie.
Do you wanna cut your hair as well?
No, thank you.
Okay.
Never. But I'm going to have it cut soon because I don't know. This one is age. It needs something newer, younger,
Absolutely.
but not right now. In the next
You
2 months.
should let Liam cut your hair.
She will cut in Vietnam, so cheap.
So stylish as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so bye bye. Nice to meet you.
Grows this long, so
Really?
yeah, yeah, my hair grows super
Love
fast.
my hair.
Wow.
I love my hair too, but I love experimenting.
Yes, exactly.
I love short hair and then it grows back fast again. I'm so proud of that.
Do you want to keep your hair?
Generally, I donate my hair, but I don't think I can do that now. But now I'm gonna throw it away.
Okay.
Okay, let's begin. The first thing we are doing is just ensuring that my hair is tangle free, and this took like forever.
So what hairstyle you want? Just
I think I'll go with blunt cut.
blunt cut.
The cut I always go for. So we'll follow a tutorial and we'll do the cutting. Right? Fun?
Really fun. Okay, I have you.
Cut a little bit.
I will cut up to here.
Is cutting on wet
Up
hair.
to
So we
here?
start by sectioning the hair off.
Up to here.
Yeah.
But I cut up to here first and then like.
If you always part your hair to the left, then
Firstly, we would be cutting it really short and then we would be styling it.
part
Is it seen on the camera?
down to the ear. Or right behind the ear, I should
Done.
say. Now from here,
You see
we're
the
going to start
ponytail.
with the back section. So I'm going to go across the back in a horizontal line. We're going to try to keep that line as straight and neat as possible. Make sure that every
Wow.
section
This
that
looks
you
pretty.
It
Okay,
does!
let's keep it.
you should be able
I don't need to do anything. No. No, I have to do the thing.
to see the back of her neck.
Already so happy.
I'm going to connect.
Oh, they do it.
I'll sit properly, I won't shake. So for this part, she started by sectioning my hair and putting 2 strands in front and just tying it and leaving the rest behind.
And then what?
And then she started working on the back part and then she took the tiniest section from down and then tied the first half and then kept working her way on top. So she tied my hair first and then just started trimming the ends and then she wasn't doing any layers but she just kept adding more hair and cutting it. So this took a while and it was around 5 when we started doing this and it was dark by the time we finished it. One thing you need to know about this is you need to have a lot of patience to cut hair, and even if you are the person who's sitting when your friend is cutting your hair, you need a lot of patience because this was getting really difficult for me and I'm like, just finish it already. And as you can see, the lights are already on and it's dark now. So somewhere in between, she did ask me to wet my hair completely because my hair started to dry out really soon. It's Australia and it's really sunny here, and my hair kept drying really fast, so I had to go wet my hair again, and because it was getting very difficult for her to cut because my hair kept drying really soon, and it's really hard to cut your hair when it's dry. Finally, she started working on the last part, which is the section in front that we had kept aside. So I asked her to leave it a little longer, and it is actually a little too long and not well aligned. My mistake, I asked her to do that, but that was it. That's how it turned out. Overall, good job, but I would still be going to India and cutting my hair. But at this point, I really needed a haircut, and I'm glad I let her cut my hair. Let me know what you think about it.
How do you feel? Lighter.
It's so good. The much needed haircut with my hairdresser. Come here.